Welcome to Prudent Psychology 101. Today we are going to learn about Introduction to Counseling and Characteristics of a Counselor. This video will start with the definition of counseling and guidance and differentiate guidance from counseling. We take up characteristics of counseling, differentiate counseling from psychotherapy. So let's go ahead and understand what is counseling. Counseling is the ability to listen and respond in a way that will help others solve their own problems and attain their potential. It is the art of helping clients arrive at the right answer by their own analysis of the situation and the facts. The process that occurs when a client and counselor set aside time to explore difficulties which may include the stressful or emotional feelings of the client. The act of helping the client to see things more clearly, possibly from a different viewpoint. This can enable the client to focus on feelings, experiences, or behavior with the goal of facilitating. So, what is counseling? Is not giving advice or being judgmental, attempting to sort out the problems of the client. It is not expecting or encouraging a client to behave as the counselor would behave if confronted with a similar problem in their own life. It is not getting emotionally involved with the client. It is not at all looking at a client's problems from your own perspective based on your own value system. So, hope you understood what counseling is and what counseling is not. Let's move on. What is the purpose of counseling? The 5 major goals of counseling are behavior change, promote decision making, facilitate clients' potential, enhancing coping skills, improving relationships. So these are the objectives of a counseling session. So what is counseling and psychotherapy? Psychotherapy or personal counseling with a psychotherapist is an intentional interpersonal relationship used by trained psychotherapists to aid a client or patient. So various kind of psychotherapies are psychoanalytic therapy, Adlerian therapy, existential therapy, person-centered therapy, gestalt therapy, transaction analysis, behavior therapy, rational emotive therapy, reality therapy. So we'll look at what are the principles, methods and ethics for a good counseling. And let me tell you, psychotherapy usually involves a long-term relationship that focuses on reconstructive change. Okay, let's first of all look at what is the profile of a counselor. Effective counseling requires an understanding of self and detailed awareness of the impact of oneself on others. A counselor needs to be equipped with the advanced listening skills. They must be able to recognize the various levels of empathy. Counseling demands a process of negotiation and problem solving. Counseling will generally use a conversational style. The effective counselor requires the skills of assertiveness and the ability to confront a client when it is therapeutically appropriate. Confidentiality is the key of successful counseling. So let's look at what is the difference between counseling and guidance. Guidance refers to an advice or a relevant piece of information provided by a superior to resolve a problem or overcome difficulty, whereas counseling refers to professional advice given by a counselor to an individual to help him overcome from personal psychological problems. Guidance is preventive in nature. Counseling is remedial and curative. Guidance is comprehensive and extroverted in approach. Counseling is in-depth and introverted. And okay, so let's look at counseling and guidance. What it does is it assists the person in choosing the best alternative, and counseling tends to change the perspective to help him get the solution by himself. And guidance deals with education and career related issues, and in counseling it's personal and social psychological issues. Guidance is provided by any person, superior or expert. Counseling is a person who possesses a high level of skill and professional training. Privacy in guidance is open and less private. it is confidential in counseling. Mode in guidance is one-to-one or one-to-many. Counseling is always one-to-one. Decision making is by guide and counseling is by the client. So with this we come to an end of our first session on counseling. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel, like it and comment please, so that we can improve our services. And if you have any doubts, you can leave your comments below, and also you can suggest. Thank you so much.